Well, as you can see, it's piddling it down, so I won't be doing anything today, but a catch up on that wizardy type walking stick. Kind of gone down a little bit of a different route. Still, I did say it was going to be kind of magical sort of thing, so I don't know if you remember the old film Sinbad, Voyage of Sinbad, was it? And at one point he releases a dragon. I'm kind of gone with that. I do want to do more to this cane, but unfortunately I can't find my bloody glue gun. It's a good one as well, so I might have to buy another one, because I want to go all the way down it with glue and decorate it. That may still happen. I might just have to buy another bloody glue gun, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Say it's not finished. I do like the paintwork.